Can't we just do this with a still camera?
Hold the end up. Hold your hand up higher. There, yeah.
Yeah, all of these animals, I'm the only one that's ever around them, so they're not getting scared when anybody else comes around.
She likes Rick, though.
Yeah, she's pretty scared. She just likes his milk.
We're going to close the tunnel this winter over here.
Didn't like the sun.
Okay.
What's the mean one? What's the mean one? Small one?
Yeah.
Are they all the same species?
No, the others.
She's shedding pretty bad, isn't she?
Huh?
The deer there, it's shedding pretty bad.
Yeah. Everything is this time of year. He's holding up somewhere.
Oh, is that a full-grown
Yeah.
zebu?
No, that's a wallaby.
No, out there. Under the tree?
Yeah, my tree clutches. See, the hunting one up there.
Yeah.
They got these elders too on high here. Oh, I won't pull. You got to keep veering it down. And so,
So this one's smaller, is that what you're
this
saying?
one's bigger.
Oh, bigger.
The other one's smaller, yeah. The other one's 125, this is 200. Then we got those. The carburetor. The floater in there is what you need.
Yeah, I had that in here, but I need
This is the old farmhouse.
He's 4 years old, you know, every time he makes milk. She don't want to step on that select linoleum. Her name is Gypsy.
I wish we could get her to cry, Rick. Animals like him.
Yeah. What's this? Super duper pooper scooper. All right.
Shovel it to us. We had the table stretched out in here, had curtains hanging over there, and they did all the cooking, and we came in here, they put a chain around Frank's neck and put a big nose on him, they made me a dress out of paper.
Donkey's in the house. I'll take pictures so you can.
That's why we'd hang out. Take our shoes off, go walk in that water.
Yeah.
Why would you want that on your camera?